XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, June 28. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, Bank of America backs XRP. Alright, let's get started. Cryptocurrencies are financial means used outside the field of regular monetary systems. Bitcoin developed to expand the use of digital transactions, enabling a P2P transaction model. Central banks and governments have recognized the growing demand for digital currencies. Some countries such as Sweden or China are progressing to become cashless. Financial incorporation is asymmetrical across the globe, as emerging economies face issues in providing financial opportunities for their population. As a result, a recent Bank of America, NYSE, BAC, report acknowledged the benefits of digital currencies like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Cardano as an economic stimulators. The advantages of digital money for a cashless society. According to a Bank of America study, regulated or independent digital currencies like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Cardano could boost economic growth in developing countries. The head of Emerging Market Cross-Asset Strategy and Economics highlighted that digital currencies have a lot of potential for including the unbanked population in a global financial system. Furthermore, David Honor emphasized that over 50% of adults in emerging countries are unbanked, without access to a bank account. Thus, digital currencies can substantially decrease transaction costs to enable more economic activities to take place. Additionally, Honor discovered that emerging economies are increasingly active in trading cryptocurrencies despite not having a bank account. Global consensus concludes cryptocurrencies are a hedge against inflation. A report explains the case of Venezuela, where inflation rose by 6,500% in 2020. Digital payments such as crypto provide security against inflation. Still, spending crypto is problematic as global acceptance and usage are still short-sighted. El Salvador's law of making Bitcoin a legal tender represents the first trial run for crypto to be used as a global currency. On the flip side, 1. People from emerging economies heavily depend on remittance services to transfer funds. 2. The most significant countries in Bitcoin trading volume are all part of emerging markets such as Kenya or Nigeria. 3. CBDC will not be integrated as hoped as they lack the volatility of cryptocurrencies, which adds value to owning and transacting it. Banks are not giving up on fees. Ripple, which is currently under investigation by the SEC, created a widely used distributed ledger for cross-border payments. Their MoneyGram integration served as a first step towards accomplishing a lower fee threshold for cross-border payments. The Bank of America report also highlighted digital currencies can reduce cross-border payment costs. The evolution towards a cashless global society adds extra incentives such as reducing corruption, formalizing the economy, and raising tax revenue. Banks are disregarding the needs of customers from emerging countries. A World Bank report states that international transaction fees amount to 6.5%, which is scandalously high, and above the targeted threshold of 3%. Volatility is the risk. The implementation of digital currencies is not without risks. Honor highlights banks will be issuing CBDC in the next 3 years. However, he cautions digital currencies could undermine a country's physical currency, as high volatility could hinder macroeconomic policies. Furthermore, providing low-risk and low-cost alternatives is the solution to increase financial inclusion. As iterated by El Salvador's president, Bitcoin can allow people to transfer funds with ease. However, its volatility hinders its success. The progression towards generating censorship-free transactions is attainable. However, other cryptocurrencies or digital currencies will serve the purpose better. How XRP is trading. XRP price did engineer a 35% gain from the June 22 low to the June 24 high, but it was unremarkable in conviction as volume fell well below average. Further upside is resisted by the juncture of the 200-day SMA and the anchored VWAP from December 29, 2020. Unless the International Settlements token can be inspired, it is advantageous for investors to remain on the sidelines. On the other hand, it may become the perfect environment for swing traders. At the June 22 low, XRP price had declined 70% from the April high of $1.96 and a noticeable 50% from the June 1 high while liquidating the May 23 low of $0.652. a level fortified by weekly highs in late 2020 and February 2021. Nonetheless, Ripple realized three important technical milestones that provoked a 35% rebound. A test of the 78.6% retracement of the December 2020 to April 2021 advance at $0.555, an undercut of the 50-week SMA at $0.540 and registered an oversold reading on the daily RSI for the first time since late December 2020. Ripple's XRP rose by 5.04% on Sunday. Following a 0.81% gain from Saturday, Ripple's XRP ended the week down by 16.30% to $0.64794. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP rise to an early morning high $0.63205 before hitting reverse. Falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.6382, Ripple's XRP slid to a late intraday low $0.59724. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.5880. However, Ripple's XRP rallied to a late intraday high $0.65238. Ripple's XRP broke through the first major resistance level at $0.6382 to end the day at 64 cents levels. At the time of writing, Ripple's XRP was down by 1.06% to $0.64106. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP rise to an early morning high $0.65363 before falling to a low $0.64106. Ripple's XRP left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Ripple's XRP will need to avoid the $0.6325 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.6678 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break back through to 66 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of a broad-based crypto rally, Ripple's XRP could test resistance at 70 cents. The second major resistance level sits at $0.6877. A fall through the $0.6325 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.6127 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.5774. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to all investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.